Okay, guys, we're going to continue looking at example problems for periodic data. So let's look down here at this one. Is the function periodic? And if it is, what is its period? Now remember, to be periodic, let's go back up here. The y values have to repeat at regular intervals. They have to repeat themselves. So your y values have to be the same at regular intervals. So let's look down here at this one. If we look at A here, is there anywhere that your y value repeats? Now, if it repeats, that would mean that I would come down to this point and then I would start again going back up like this one does. So it should be going out like this if it's going to repeat itself out this way. But this one you can see doesn't. It goes down. It continuously goes down. So that means your y value is changing at each x, and it goes down and it never repeats itself. So we would say that no, this one is not a periodic function. If we look at example B, okay, so if we start at the origin, this goes down and then it goes up and kind of levels and then back up, and it comes back up, notice, to where we started before. And then it does that same thing again. So our y values are going to be repeating here, and our cycle is this right here. That's one cycle, and then the y values repeat themselves. So since they repeat themselves, this one is a yes. So it is periodic. What is its period? Remember, the period is the length of one cycle. So how long is this period? Okay, notice these are increments of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So our period here equals 10. Period is 10. Okay, for C, if we look and start at the origin, you'll notice that we go down and up, and we go down and up again, but this time it's higher up on my y values. So these y values are not repeating themselves. They are continuously going up on this graph. So they might repeat as far as a little bit of it, but they don't repeat at a consecutive pattern. So for this one, it is not a periodic function. Okay, you try A and B here. Pause the video and then come back and we'll see how you did. Okay, let's see how you did. If we looked at this one, here we go down and up, and we go down and up, but you can see it's at a higher interval on the y. So this one would not be a periodic function. For B, if we start at the origin, here, it goes up and it comes back down, and then it's starting back up. So I'm going to come over here and see if it's the same. So we start here, go up, come back down, go up, come back down. It does repeat at regular intervals on the y. So one cycle of this is from here to there. Okay, that's one cycle. So we would say yes, this one is a periodic function. And then what is its period? Well, notice it goes from here. So these are in 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our period length here is 4. Okay? As always, if you have questions, let me know.